So first we will take the breadboard, you can see, and attach the MQ135 or MQ2 sensor, so it can detect gases and fire. So first we will read the pins: analog output, digital output, GND, which is the negative pin, and VCC, which is the positive pin. So now we will attach it, and now it is attached. So for the project you can use both analog output and digital output because both give values, but I prefer analog output. So now we will attach the wires. So first analog output. Now we will place the GND wire, and now the VCC wire. So now the sensor is done. So now we will attach the LED on the breadboard. So this is the red LED that will indicate that fire or smoke or any other gases, harmful gases detected. So we will place it here, and here it is placed. So to identify between the negative and positive pin of the LED, the positive pin is the longer and the negative pin is shorter. So now we will attach the wires, but before that, as we know that the LED requires 3 volts but the Arduino Uno supplies 5 volts. So we will put a resistor before the positive pin of the LED, and here it is placed. So now finally I will connect the wires. So I have placed the wires. So now we will connect all the wires to the Arduino Uno. So first both of the LED pins will attach. So first the negative LED pin we will attach to the GND, and the positive one to the any pin. You can use a digital pin like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any pin. So I am going to use 3. So now the LED is connected. Now I will connect the sensor. So first the analog output pin, you can place it, attach it to A0, A1, A2, A3, any analog pin. I will use A0, and now I will connect GND to GND and VCC to 5V. So now I have connected all of the things. So it is the front view of the device. So now we will code it. So when it detects some smoke or fire, so here smoke is. So when it will detect smoke, the red light will be on, and when it does not, it will be off. So you have made it your own DIY fire alarm. Thank you for watching.